The United States has deported 5 convicted foreign nationals, including a Jamaican, to the Kingdom of Eswatini in southern Africa, in what officials describe as a safe third country transfer involving individuals whose home countries reportedly refused to receive them. The flight, arranged by the U.S. Department of Homeland Security, transported deportees from Vietnam, Jamaica, Laos, Cuba, and Yemen, all convicted of serious violent crimes ranging from child rape and murder to armed robbery and aggravated assault. In a post on X, DHS Assistant Secretary Tricia McLaughlin characterized the deportees as so uniquely barbaric that their home countries refused to take them back. Formerly known as Swaziland, Eswatini has been ruled by King Mswati III since 1986. Eswatini, Africa's last remaining absolute monarchy, has not issued a statement regarding the arrival of the deportation flight. However, the small, landlocked nation, bordered by South Africa and Mozambique, had been previously identified in media reports as a possible destination for U.S. deportees. The controversial decision to send these individuals to Eswatini, a country with no direct connection to any of the 5 deportees. It is unclear whether the Eswatini government consented to or was consulted about the transfer. Read more at JamaicaLiveNews.com.